Let's talk about MAP, the all-in-one affiliate solution you need to know about. So if you look at that Master Affiliate Profits website, you'll see that there are over 1,000 MAP backers. And why do you need to know about this? Because it's actually your last shot, because they are going into their launch phase, their full launch phase. Right now, they're in their pre-launch phase, and you could get a spot as a MAP backer. It's probably the lowest price possible that they'll ever provide. And that is going on right now, their early adopter phase, the map backer phase, and there are over 1,000 people, and they've paid out over $500,000 in the last 6 months during their pre-launch phase. So they've been open since October 2023, but in February 2024 is when they allowed people to promote through their affiliate link. So a lot of things going on, and I believe that this will help you build up financial freedom and then, of course, build up a thriving online business on your own terms. And if you stick to the end, I'll provide a free gift that will help you make passive income online. This is something that I've created personally, and it can help you build money, some serious cash, pretty much anywhere, anytime. And this program, MAP, is transforming the way aspiring marketers achieve financial freedom. And again, you don't want to miss out on this, because once they go into their full launch, this opportunity to become a backer is gone and the whole cost will change. So again, this is the lowest price I think that they'll ever provide this program at. And I think it's a good thing for you. So who am I? My name is Charles Draven. I've been building online businesses for over a decade now. And I got started online because I had a traditional business in the financial realm and I wanted to build up my business online. I even tried to do paid ads. I even tried to do direct mail. I even did door to door. That's pretty crazy, right? So I wanted to do things that were sustainable, because once I had a kid, I couldn't do that anymore. I couldn't go out on appointments on other people's terms when they wanted me to meet up with them in their office, in their house. I couldn't do that when I had a kid. Pretty much my life changed, and I realized that I had to make changes accordingly. So to deal with this transition, I tried to do passive strategies to build my business, but it was very hard. And I realized that there is a way to build up my business easier. And the way that I did things is that I investigated a lot of different business models, and I realized that a lot of them were extremely complex, or I just couldn't make money. And then I realized that I could make money if I just kept it simple, but using a special strategy, which I'll be discussing in this video. And a quick disclaimer is that I am a Master Affiliate Profits affiliate, which means that I can earn commissions if you make purchases through my affiliate links at no additional cost. And this helps support the channel here. So what is MAP? What is this Master Affiliate Profits? It's a suite of training that will help you build your business as a digital marketer and as an affiliate too. So you can get all this training A to Z. They have beginner, intermediate, and advanced training for every single module that they have, whether you want to go into videos, blogging, social media. There's so much content that's available, even for building up your email list. There are a lot of things, again, A to Z training. And to me, once you get this suite, if you just focus on the content and you learn from the community, to me, I think this is like an all-in-one solution. So if you think about all the reasons why you can't succeed, for me, I believe that once you get access to these materials, once you connect with people in the community, you'll discover people that don't have much time in the day, have a big family, and have all these reasons to not do the business. They are still making money. So how can you actually start building your business? Well, the thing is that I think one of the cool things is that they have tools and resources that are available for you. If you're building a traditional business, there's a lot of work that's needed. But if you use innovative tools, then that, of course, helps you build your business faster, saves a bunch of time. One of the big tools that it comes with at this point in time is something called Convert Tools. And I use this a lot in my business, where it helps you capture leads in a very simple way. And if you have ever signed up for some program through some form that asks you to put in your name and email address, you see a page on the other side. On the other side, there's usually something that they give to you, whether it's a free book, free course, a checklist. MAP has this convert tools where they offer well over 100 of items that you can give away. So it's very easy to actually get people through this forum once you have something that is very compelling. So main thing here is, of course, you need to promote it. And you get community support, you get to network with other like-minded people. I think this is cool, especially if you are trying to collaborate with others, trying to learn from others, and of course, motivate yourself. You also have access to multiple streams of income. So this is actually something that I always strive for, to diversify, to not be in a situation where you're just relying on one single income source. So this will help you out. And then also it has one of the most intuitive interfaces. I am part of multiple high ticket programs, and out of all of them, this is the most simplistic, easy to understand interface. Once you log in, there's pretty much, to me, you browse around, you go ahead and check out things. It's very easy to figure it out, even if you're a beginner. And then you get regular updates and insights. So I want to say this, because a lot of people, they end up buying products for like $4 up to like maybe 27, 47, $97. And a lot of these programs, they're just, to me, they're kind of like a money grabs where you join the offer and then that person just keeps on launching offer after offer after offer, maybe once a week or once a month, and they ditch the product that you bought. So one thing that I really like about Master Affiliate Profits is that it is an evergreen offer. They provide regular updates and insights. So this keeps users informed of the latest trends and strategies in affiliate marketing, ensuring that you can stay ahead of your competition. Also, you could focus on long-term success. It is a very evergreen offer, and it is a program that emphasizes on a sustainable practice where you could actually have continuous growth over the long term. So let me ask you this. Now that we're here at this video, almost reaching the tail end, what is your plan for earning money, achieving financial time and location freedom? And what are you doing to actually set your own hours to be able to build this type of lifestyle where you could reach your financial goals faster and work just from anywhere in the world? You might have thought about a way to do that, but I just want to talk to you about this because this program, it's different than many others. It will allow you to have high earning potential. And I remember somebody emailed me and asked me, can I go ahead and promote products from one of the biggest e-commerce stores using this program? Yeah, you could use a training for that. But I used to do that. And I remember promoting products that were like, let's say, between $20, sometimes even a couple $100, and even selling something like close to $1,000. You might think, gosh, $1,000, that's a product that should earn some very, very good commissions. But in reality, it isn't. It's actually almost like selling a ClickBank product, if you've ever seen that before. So even if you sell, again, $100 product, $500 product, the commissions are relatively low compared to what you could be earning through Master Affiliate Profits. And also with this system, you have a lot of flexibility. You have the ability to set your own schedule. And I believe that this will help you build a business on your own terms. And relatively speaking, the startup costs are low compared to traditional businesses. And to me, even when I think about my days in college, when I was working part-time in college, I could even afford this program back with that type of income. And then scalable income, if you want to grow your income, especially for the long term, I believe that this is a way to actually simplify your business processes and then earn scalable income around the clock. And I'm sure once you go into Master Affiliate Profits, you'll know why. And there is no inventory required. Some people ask me, are there any additional costs to this? Once you join, you can get started. You can start making money without spending anything after that. Of course, there are additional things that you can actually learn about that you could actually use to optimize your business, but those are all optional. And also, if you go through my affiliate link, I'm going to give you a bunch of tools for free that will help you build your business faster, as well as coaching directly from me. So if you want to learn more about a Master Affiliate Profits, make sure that you pick up my free guide. Check out the pinned comment in my description. and you'll learn a lot about this all-in-one affiliate solution called Master Affiliate Profits. I want to thank you for watching. I highly appreciate it. Again, check out the pinned comment and you'll be able to grab the free gift. Thanks for watching.